About this item: remote control and telephone call supported. It allows you to play / pause music, volume plus / and answer / end / reject call. With this USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, you can enjoy your favorite music with the 3.5mm wired headphones to your Type-C cell phones and tablet, which have the 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. Wide compatibility. Our USB-C male to 3.5mm female headphone jack works well with all Type-C devices without 3.5mm headphone jack, including Samsung S21/S21 Plus/S21 Ultra, OnePlus 9 Pro/9/8T/8 Pro/8/, 7T Pro/7T/7 Pro/7/6T, Samsung S20 Face/S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra/Note 20 Ultra/Note 20, Google Pixel 5/4XL/4/3XL/3/2XL/2, compatible with iPad Pro 2020/2018, compatible with iPad Air 4th generation and other Android device with USB-C connector and more. Amazing sound quality, high quality of material and original chip ensure the stability of transmission for better and comfortable experience, enjoying your favorite music, videos, or movies at any time. Features: plug and play, no software.